Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a comforting classic, ramen. Ramen is a beloved noodle dish featuring Chinese-style noodle in a rich broth, often topped with char siu, which is a barbecue pork, menma, which is bamboo shoot, and seasoned egg, chopped green onions, nori, and narutomaki, which is a fish cake. Japan offers a variety of ramen style like tonkotsu, which is pork bone, soy sauce, miso, and salt, each unique to different regions. Today, we are going to show you how to make homemade char siu and deliciously elevate instant ramen. This is what we use today. Let's start with the char siu. It will take about 30 minutes to simmer, so plan your time. Pierce the pork with a fork. Our pork comes tied with string, but it's not essential, but it helps prevent the meat from losing its shape and juices. Tie it if you have string. Sear the pork on all sides over medium-high heat to lock in the flavors. While searing, mix the seasoning in a container for clarity. Once the meat is seared on all sides, add the seasoning to the pot. At this point, add in sliced ginger as well. It's great for eliminating any gamey taste from the meat. Cover the simmer for 30 minutes, turning occasionally for even flavor absorption. After simmering the char siu for 30 minutes, turn off the heat and let it cool in the pot. Once it's cooled down enough to handle, take it out and slice it. If you want to add some flavor to eggs as well, you can put them in the pot right after turning off the heat to make seasoned egg. Next, the ramen. Follow the packet instructions, but we prefer a slightly stronger soup, so we reduce the water by about 50 milliliters. Bring water to boil, then add noodles. Leave them untouched for the first 2 minutes to prevent sogginess. We like our noodle al dente, so we cook them for 3 minutes, stirring after the initial 2 minutes. Once cooked, turn off the heat and add the soup base. Mix well and serve. Then, add your favorite toppings. The homemade char siu richly flavored paired wonderfully with the noodle, making you forget they're instant. Today we chose seafood ramen, but this cooking method works for any instant noodle, so feel free to experiment. I hope you enjoyed our ramen and char siu recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Let us know how your ramen turns out, or if you have any requests for future recipes. See you next time. Bye bye!